have no idea how much space this card has.
Yeah, it's like half though.
It'll be alright. Oh, I'm strong. No, I'm not. We back. Like back. See how fast my card fills up. I want some hydration. No more caffeine for your boy. What's wrong with this thing? You all ready? Let me back up. Where's my goggles? Heyo. Wait for me. How do you even set this thing? What? Well, that doesn't work. Roads are busy. Oh, we still got it, boy! We still got it! I was like, am I doing it? Yep. Hi. I got it. I'm just stopped in the middle of the road. The phone filled up. I don't know if it got that last clip or not.
Oh, what the fuck? Back to back.
I'll take it.
Good shit, son.
Thanks, man. Are you hungry? I haven't eaten yet today. It's cold. Middle of December, we're out here on fucking supermotos. So stupid. He's gonna call us in. We got two colorful KTMs riding around. What did we decide on? Tacos? Hey, yo. Supermotos and street tacos. That sound was perfect. Pipe down, pal. Just pipe it down. No. Pipe down. Kick rocks. Make like a tree and f*** off. We were playing MX bikes and I was thinking about riding the Supermotos. And now we're on the Supermotos, I'm thinking about MX bikes.
Uh-oh.
Yo, give me a wall, I'm trying to post up. Tacos right here. You idiot. Yeah, my daddy owns this place.
Like Lincoln.
Tacos! She ain't dripping, I ain't drowning.
Holy crap, pal. Out past word.
Wrong side, doofus.
Taco tummies. We outside.
I think it's recording.
Is it not?
No. Okay. See it? No, you're better than that. Don't be talking nonsense now. It's about, I need to turn my light on. Hey, yo. Is she working? The things you make me do. You got me looking like a fool out here. We don't need help. Don't look at me.
Don't look at me.
Oh my god, dude. I got innocent person's about to help you, you scream at him. Yeah, get up in there. Looks like those horse videos. You got the big long glove on.
Oh.
You're up in that joint. You outie? Love you. Freaking freestyle jump? What? It's so cold here, man. I'm surprised how warm it is right now. Usually it's just covered with snow and just freezing, but it was like 50 today, so it was a little bit doable.